Welcome to Power Hour. Sibingelela bazalwane kulesa ntambama. It's a wonderful day. Welcome to our broadcast here, Power Hour. Siyanibingelela nonke wherever you're watching this from. Siyanibingelela ngegama eliphakeme Kristu Jesu. Amen. Special greetings to all of our followers who are always supporting us and following us. We broadcast to Siyanibingelela nonke abazalwane bonke, our bishop, lady bishop, and the entire family. Everyone who's watching this, Siyanibingelela namhlanje senamukela. Special welcome to those who are watching this show for the first time. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sihlangene namhlanje. Thank you for the comments and suggestions that you keep on sending. My comments esiwatholile for our broadcast here last week. Siyabonga kakhulu kumfundisi uKhambule for joining us last week for coffee. We had a good time. Sikhuluma ngendaba yama-altari nendaba yokusebenza nokusebenzisana nabantu esithi abakholwa. Namhlanje ke sihlangene futhi again. But before I introduce my panel, I want to remind you that this show is for Christians, is made for Christians and made by Christians. So when you view this, this is for Christians. Sikhuluma ngendaba zabazalwane. Inhloso ye-Power Hour is just to create dialogue between abazalwane. Debate noma ukuvumelana does not mean we are creating or forming any kind of a doctrine, noma we are supporting any kind of rules or whatever. But what we do is we allow abazalwane to discuss, and we believe we cannot agree in everything. So all the views that are expressed here in this show are not views Siba 760 kanye ne Power Hour, but these are individual views. So when you listen, do know that people have their right of expressing their views. Now, when you are sending those comments, send them with respect, honesty, and boldness. But ungawasho ngokudelela, but washo unelungelo lokuthi iview yakho nawe uyilwele nokuthi uyibambele. So namhlanje sihlangana kakhulu sidingida yona le ndaba esiqale ngesonto eliphelile ukuthi sibonile lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana kukhuluma abazalwane kunemibono ehlukahlukene ngendaba yokusebenzisana kanye nabantu abakhonza noma abangasiniswanga noma abangakholwa ngendlela thina esifuna ngayo. So ke last week we had umfundisi uKhambule and we spoke kakhulukazi sibuka from the angle of business. Kodwa namhlanje ke zikhona izinceku zikaNkulunkulu e-studio namhlanje sizodingida ke yona le ndaba yama-altar ukuthi senza kanjani uma sisabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. I'm excited namhlanje in our panel we've got my dear brother umfundisi uManqoba Nhleko kade sagcina ukuba naye asikumukele mfundisi waseThekwini.
Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabingelela kakhulu kuSiba. Sibingelele bonke abalaleli nababukeli bePower Hour. Kuyintokozo ukuba khona namhlanje.
So ke sizwe ukuthi nawe uthi siye enyangeni, soshumele enyangeni. So ke sikubone ke namhlanje. Namhlanje we are leaving no stone unturned. I-pressure is on. Namhlanje kuzobe kufika. So ke siphinde simukele ugazi lami umfundisi uGiven Kophozi. Sigcina ke ukuhlala la e-studio sagcina kushisa ngifuna ivesi saqala engibiza ngogazi saphethe sethi babudlamini awungilaleli kwakushubile kodwa ke bangishaya ngamatshe ke nama abantu ngashawa sonke sayashawa kodwa ke namhlanje sihlangene futhi kazi uzongibiza ngobani namhlanje babudlamini noma umfundisi uDlamini asabukela umfundisi uKophozi
sibingelela ugazi yeah siyabingelela kakhulu. It is always an honor, privilege ukuthi ngibe la kwi-Power Hour siyashintshe lingaphendukanga. Siyabonga kakhulu. Yeah.
Right, bese sizoba namhlanje nomfayifi kade sayibamba naye simlandile sathi nake azokhuluma umfayifi lo uma uthi awumazi umfayifi kodwa akade aqala vele uba umfayifi nenkani even isayingane umfayifi nenkani ngizonivezela manje asamukele u-evangelist Rasta Shozi. Mfundisi wami asibingelele.
Mfundisi wami umkhulu umfayifi. Ngithi akubingelele nababukeli bakho bonke namhlanje. Siyakholwa ukuthi kuzawuhamba kahle.
Siyabonga kakhulu. No, we are excited. Bazalwane, thank you for accepting our invitation. Asihlale phezu kwayo lento. Sibonile bazalwane esikhathini esiphambili. Abantu bejijelana ngamatshe lapha kuphikiswana einkundleni zokuxhumana kakhulu ngendaba yokuthi ngabe umntwana kaNkulunkulu uyaya yini kohlabelela noma uyoshumayela ishumayela kodwa kumuntu ongakholwa masithi ongakholwa umuntu ongasinzisiwe noma ayindaweni la khona abantu abangasinzisiwe kwavela ke into eziningi kwagcina sekufinyela indaba zokuthi osinzisiwe akwazi ukoma kulelo altare ngoba akulona ialtare elinoNkulunkulu phakathi so ke yeah mhlambe ke si kickstart lento Mkilichi uthini uthi siyaya kushumayela abantu abangakholwa noma enyangeni
It's a very critical. I wouldn't have one answer to it, but I would say, Oguti, we preach to sinners, but we also need to check, Oguti, from which kind of platform, for many reasons. But I would say, Oguti, we do preach to sinners, but for next check, Oguti, uma sishumayela kwizone sishumayela kuyiphi platform. And also it differs from our call, but I would say mina nje personally, I do check the platform and minister yona before I go and minister.
Ngiyabuya ngiza kuwena ufasa ibhandi ngiyakuzwa kodwa ngakakuzwa kodwa wena ufasa ibhandi ngiyakubona kwamanje ukuthi nje usagxuma kodwa ngiyeza kuwena ngisazoyifaka ipressure babushozi
Mrot
yes uthini baba wena uthi zidedelwe ziye noma ikuphi ziyoshumayela noma ikuphi la ibizwa khona noma uthaswa check
angikhulume ngami mina la kunomuntu khona ngiyashubayela yeah benginomuntu ngiyashubayela ngoba mhlambe lento yama altare sichecka kwenye ingxenye singayichecki kwenye ingxenye
yeah
uma nje ngiza la studio sakho bengibanjwe indlala ngangena kwenye ama restaurant akhona adumile cishe izwe lonke mungena phemnyango wakhona kune stick esibhaliwe ngaphandle sithi halal
yeah
engcale sticker mhlambe simele iauthorities engalazi ngiyayicabangela nje ukuthi le sticker simele authorities engalazi manje ke mengathi impela ngabe ngothi ngiyabuza before ngingene ukuthi ngekho indawo engisadla kuzona okwesibili mhlawumbe khona engakusho umfundisi uhlelo singayiqa nje indaba yethu sesijule ukuthi mhlawumbe la akhonzisa khona yena mhlawumbe building ayirentayo ibhilidi lamndiya thizeni okhonza koNkulunkulu bakhe lo mndiya thizeni kodwa umfundisi uhlelo njalo ngesonto uthi rabashika rabashanda inkingi into emusa khona ukuthi ufuna umuntu so la khona umuntu angikwazi lokho ngibuza ukuthi altare nithini bengimenywe mina usenzo wami ngoshumayela ukuthi lapho kukhona bani wenzeni anginaki lezo zinto ngifuna umuntu la ngakhona ngoba kwesesikhathi ithina sizakhele izinto uJesu mangabe efa wabhidla izinto zama-altare wayeseshiya ne-assignment ethi asenze izizwe abafundi so izizwe ngeke uzuyithole engekho umuntu ngoba uMbethu umfundisi ngemthanda methi yena uyashumayela to sinners inkinga lama sinners ngeke uzowathole la sithi khona glory to Jesus lama sinners kukhona la kumele alandwe khona la angakamazi khona uJesu manje ke swalanda kanjani mekhona indawo esingakwazi ukungena kuzona hayi ngime nje lapho
mawuthi noma ikuphi la khona ama-sinners nje wena
mekhona uNkulunkulu bakithi akathanda isono kodwa uthanda isoni manje mekhona isoni fanele singene siyokhipha isoni manje akwazi ukufika endaweni okay angilinganise nje mengathwasho nje manje ngifonelwa inhlangano ethephethe noma yenye inhlangano ephikisa inhlangano ephethe ezweni ethi shozo uzoshumala fanele ngithi mina ngishumayeli kwezepolitiki umzalwane ngisindisiwe angeni kwipolitiki baphela ukuthi fanele sikhethe indawo ukuthi sikhethe indawo esingena kuzona indawo singangeni kuzona uma ngabe umshumayeli la khona umuntu unikeze assignment yokulanda umuntu ngoba uNkulunkulu bafuna bephelile manje bophila kanjani bengashunyayezwanga bolazi kanjani iqiniso benganikezwanga uma thina sizobachuza ukuthi singena apha singeni kuphi
nje kusho ukuthi makunjalo phela ukuthi masisho njalo shozi shuthi nasingafika etshwaleni nje
futhi usho into encane umuthi etshwaleni uma ngamenyo usathana kukhona umuntu umusakhuluma indaba yotshwala kumuntu encane kakhulu ngoba umusakhuluma le yotshwala akaqala ngisho ukuqala usakhuluma into engekho mina ngithi la ngisho ukuthi usathana unginvite bekhona umuntu mhlambe ke senginganqama ukuthi unginvite ngoshumayela emademoni kodwa manje akhona umuntu athi usathana wozoshumayela ngiphakathi lapho manje
usathana mengakumema kunabantu
le yotshwala ilula kakhulu ngoba kwesisikhathi nani nazama-altare nigxile kubona utshwala manje abona inkinga kakhulu le as long as ukhona umuntu nami ngiphakathi.
Sorry, ukhonto isho uthi
Iphinda futhi ngithi nazi kakhulu ama-altari nanokuthi utshwaleni akushunyayelwa kodwa i-most iqile kubona utshwala. So ithanda ubanzimana-ke leyo. La khona umuntu ngiyashumayela. Unabiza uSathane uthi akezela athi Sathane ngikunika iplatform lami lasesihogweni naba abantu engibawinile.
Ake kwenzela ukuthi umuntu osekhaya ezwe kahle uthi laba abajaha amanje.
Yazi sebakhulu mina ngiyazi ukuthi awungizwa ngomoya ungizwe kaningi. Ungizwa ngomoya ngizwa ngenyanga. Ngithi mina inkinga sisitadisha kakhulu ama-verses. Akwazi ukula kwenye ingxenye. Uthola ukuthi kulula ukuthi ukhulume ngokuthi khona abantu abangakholwa. Ngiyamncamela-ke lo ongakholwa noma lo esithi akakholwa akasiyo umzalwane kodwa ukwazi ukuqoqa abantu ndawonye abesebiza thina ukuthi woze uzoshumayela. Kunalo othi kade efika ngesonto uthi ukhathele namehla akaboni kahle. Hayi ngoba engalalanga efunda amavesi, engalalanga ehleli nazo izoni, edla nazo enza lokho okwenziwa izoni. So lo muntu uhluke ngani nalo muntu ongakholwa owenza izinto ezithi abantu abangakholwa. So as ama-Christians kumele sifunde ukuthi i-assignment yethu yini. Kwesi sikhathi ukubona ukriticize umuntu ongakaze abe ngisho open air, ongakaze uchumayeza umuntu eTexini ukuthi kunjani ukulanda isona. Thina esiphila ngeimvuselelo nesenza imvuselelo we spend imali. Awucazi sekuthiwa ngispend imali ngibeka itende ngafaka ama-flyers ama-posters bese ngibiza umhlonishwa wami la mfundisi uhle ngithi azoshumayela abese fika abochwepheshe okuchaza ukuthi khona i-altar angangeni kulona. Mina ngizofuna isodi la yena uzochaza ama-altar epulpit ukuthi leli ngiyangena kulona lela ngingeni kulona. Sigcina lento ebengiyifuna lemvuselelo ingasenzakanga ngoba asisenzanga into ebesiyifunayo. uJesu bafuna bephila and bayolandwa kanjani uma thina singayi kubona. Ingakho nangesikhathi sakhe uJesu wawuthola bemcriticize labantu abazi kakhulu amavesi bemcriticize according to imibhalo eyimthetho beqinisile ngemthetho. Yabona ngikhumula nje emzini kaZakeyu bakhala impela bathi ufunani uyapi lapho kwasho ukuthi uJesu uyayazi into ayisukele ezulwini ukuthi uzolanda umuntu. Manje ke uJesu wahamba abuyele ezulwini thina ke othi umsebenzi ukuthi simlande umuntu.
Hey, this is Power Hour. Mfundisi uKophozi ngiyabona la uyashiselwa manje. Yeah, what's your take?
Ngibonge ngethuba. Well, it's such a complex issue but very simple at the same time. Ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele sibuke kukhona ipoint alibekile ubabushozi la ukuthi kukhona izinto esizenzayo. For example, kukhona ukudla esikudlayo kwa-halal. Kukhona ama-business deals that we do with abantu abathile abakhonza abanye uNkulunkulu and all of those things. And then bese kuba khona u-dynamic 2. Dynamic 2 is dealing with a person vele esithi apostate. Masithi umuntu apostate usho ukuthi lo muntu lona o-conscious of ilokhuzana i-fall ubekholwa ekhonza uJesu right kwahamba isikhathi la khona e-fall. So on a mission ethi ayibe opposite to that which of Christ. So this thing is a different dynamic. So i-statement eshoyo sibalekile lesokuqala ukuthi when we evangelize it is important ukuthi i-evangelism ungavangelize noma ikuphi. At the same time kukhona i-dynamic engapha on the right ukuthi kukhona lokho ukuthi evangelism by association. There's a different again ideal where nangu uGobhozi njengoba ngishilo nje uGobhozi kuyazi ukuthi kade umzalwane and then tuku uyashintsha and he sees uJesu akasamboni as the king, akasamboni as the Lord and all of those things. So that right there ngiyayizwa leyo ukuthi you can just go for example like uJesu coming to the house of Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus was a simple sincere sinner. But why so nje sasincere ubheke different sinners ayihlala nawo ma-tax collectors and all of those people. uPaul mayehamba ebizelwa kwi-Areopagus ukuthi azokhuluma khona. Those guys were people who were not even believers in a same sense. Babengazani even no Christ, but Paul lapho ingakho ngithi kukhona ama-dynamics akhona lapho. It depends ukuthi i-platform lo nginika yona. Yes, he is correct mayethi la ukhona isoni. there must be somebody who preaches to them. That's very true. But at the same time, we must be conscious ukuthi lo muntu onginikeza i-platform, in what sense is he khona omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi umuntu is not a believer. Ungimemile nje for the sake of njengaye mhlambe inhlangano esiphethe, eSouth Africa, ukuthi uyak-invite, those people are not religious in a sense. They're just there ukuthi uzo-presenter, uzolokuzana, uzoshumayela lapho. So there are dynamics akhona lapho.
We are raising something very interesting, Mfundisi Gobhozi. Mhlambe ake ngibuze lo mbuzo ukuthi bamhleko, there are people abaku-inviteayo because you are a crowd puller. Not because ufuna Umfundisi Gobhozi wenze example njengama-political parties. Ama-political parties will call ama-artists a gospel. I don't think it's in their constitution because they are supporting a particular religion. Any evidence aloko sometimes you find kuma-events abo kuthandaza abantu abawu-10 who are coming from different religions. Nawe ubiziwe uzocula kuleyo nto. Now that doesn't we cannot fool ourselves and say labantu basibizele because bafuna indaba kaJesu. Now, how do we handle that? Do you think that is still safe in your own view? Ukuthi sibonakala la. In other words, uyoshumayela kwi-function la khona kuzoqala kusume khona umuntu asho ngesihindi bese kusho omunye ngenye into bethandaza into engafani, and then nawe futhi uzoba noNkulunkulu. Are we called for something like that? Ukuthi sizocompete nabanye uNkulunkulu?
I would actually answer by saying, Guti, as Ubabu Gobhozi has been saying, Guti, it's a very controversial issue because it is true that we are invited based on also our influence, based on our impact. And so when people invite us, it's because they want a certain impact to actually remain with them after we have left, or also mhlambe bring an influence ethize, or also mhlambe you just name abantu abarelate nayo. And so that's why I was saying earlier, Oguti, we need to be also skeptical, Oguti, how do we approach that? Because for us ministers, preachers, it differs from mhlambe other spheres. Mhlambe you're talking about artists. I'm an artist and an element of ukuthi ayasebenza, and an element of ukuthi they have to bring an invoice. And with ministers, it's a different case. And so when I go to minister, then for me, it's not just mainly about getting an invoice, but it's also to actually bring a message that God has sent me to preach forth to people, invoice-wise or not. I'm just saying because so I was saying again, Oguti, therefore, funeke ucheke Oguti, your minister, okay, let me put it this way. Uma uyoshumayela, njengoba nje umvangeli ushoze umshumayela. I would say, if you want to preach anywhere, then hambe uyemisela inkonzo ushumayele. But mawusu invite, it's a different case,
And position yakho ngoba ipower hour le asile na le iposition yakho uthi shumela noma ikuphi.
Shumela noma ikuphi. Mawufuna ukuyoshumayela eTavern, akube imission yakho uthi ngiyoshumela eTavern. This is what I want to achieve.
But
uma also invitwa eTavern, then you need to check what is their mission. What are they inviting me for? Ngoba ngenze ukuthi bangishumayele bangibizela ukuthi ngizokitaza nje idakwa, and then after that uthothi mangihamba kusalwa kube sengathi angaze ngifike. Then it's pointless preaching to such platforms. It's something I also even say, at our church, ukuthi sometimes you are invited even to mhlambe ingane esiyikhonzisayo thothi ne-21st ufike ushumayele uthi ungahamba kusale kube ne-party kuthiwa sekuyi-phase 2 sekune after party uthola ukuthi yonke le nto aduyisho although it has impact, but uyabona ukuthi akusinto ekwenza ujabule mawusuze ekhaya ukuthi akulalwanga lapha dushumela khona abantu athi beyishubhesha kwaze kwasa, you know, and you feel as if, you know, my time and the value and the impact, you know.
Yeah.
So we need to also check that, ukuthi ngempela, the minute you walk out, what happens? If ungishumayela kuwena and people stand on their feet and all of that, and the minute I walk out, then you start doing everything that I'm against. You know, you start doing everything that I'm against, then what is my point there? Ngizokwenzani mina?
Yeah, this is Power Hour. Before ngiyojayisa ngifuna ukuthethe ubaba Shosi. Mbakela Shosi.
Ichazwa nje inkulumo kaMfundisi uNhleko uma abelenganisa ngokumenywa ingane yakhe ebandleni. Ayifundisa izinto eziningi zokukholwa. Wayitshela izinto ezi-right ngeyimfundiso zakhe, wayitshela izinto ezi-wrong ngeyimfundiso zasebandleni. Yona futhi ingane yakhe iyamema ukuthi azoshumayela ubaba wayo. Athi eqeda ukushumayela ngene emotweni besithi ingane yakhe futhi phase 2. So ubani ongcono la kulo ongumema elazi iqiniso nalo ongumema engalazi iqiniso futhi enenhloso zakhe eziseceleni, ngoba lo wasebandleni ngimfundisile ukuthi thina abazali emicimbi yethu ihamba kanje. Lo wasethaveni asiphuzi kodwa uthi aqeda bebudedela.
Yeah.
Nalo ngoba mina ngiyakholwa ukuthi kulo wasethaveli ngizokuphuma nomuntu oyedwa. Nginesizathu ngeke ngashumela kwenye dala ngishumela endaweni eziningi la khona sesithi khona abantu abakhona abakholwa. But izinto engithola after that, omunye zemotweni nathi ngiyabonga mfundisi ukuthi ngesonto ngibuyele ebandleni. Ngoba most into esingayinaki namfundisi sibalikhulu ukuthi angikwazi ukushaya ipha awangayona umlandeli wepha awo. Ngicriticize ngoba ngumlandeli wayo futhi ngiyayazi. Awukwazi ukwazi umuntu one-altar wrong ungasiyo umlandeli wakhe, ngoba ukuze wazi ukuthi i-altar asebenzisayo ilephi kushuthi ikhona into oyayenza ukulandela, ngoba most abantu esibafica laphana uma ngabe soshumayela either ama-event noma isemashibhini noma ama-altar ke lawa esithi abantu ababuya bangakholwa nani. Most abantu abalaphana, almost 60% abantu abaqale kuthina sisindisiwe bazi iqiniso likaJesu baphinde bahamba bayofuna usizo abangatholi kithi kulaba bantu. Yabona lo muntu yathi ingakho mabe sishumela ematendeni kuba khona ama-altar call awu-2 esiwabizayo. Ubiza i-altar call yomuntu ozokwamukela uJesu osindiswayo, oqala kuzophama isandla amukela uJesu. Uphinde uthi singakathandazi, nawe uyakusho lokho mfayethu, singakathandazi khona uthi ngake ngaba senkosini kodwa ngenxa ubude bendlela. Yabo uma sikhuluma ngobude bendlela sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngalo muntu othelazi iqiniso likaJesu, wabuye wahamba walapha emathaveni, waphinde wahamba kulezi indawo. Manje ngithi yabona abizayithina malisekhosesi wabini sithi labo kuqala bamukela uJesu, labo besibili wabona omunye azezekhala umntwana kaNkulunkulu ngobani kukhona into eshumayelile wamkhumbuza into ayaziyo ayeyiyo before. But uma ngabe lo muntu ngizofika bese ngishumayela ke ngokuthi angingeni la ngiyangena la, uyabona ukuthi singagcina siluza umuntu. Ayengenze example encane kula eBhayibhelini labo sisaba u10 sike sishumela kakhulu ngala besithi bayiziwula. Yabona abazi ukuthi sithi iziwula kukhona into emehlakaniphile nento ezisiwula eziziwula lezi ehlakaniphile zazilindele umyeni futhi ke honhle ke laba asebe right abalindele umyeni. Sithi lezi zinhlanu zafika bambaka lezi zinhlanu zifike zithi kulaba nathi siyathanda umyeni siphena amafutha asinawo bese kuthi umfundisi uNhleko asebe right bathi hambani niwathenga babaxosha sebefikile. Ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi umuntu athi sengenile enkonzweni, ngoba for the fact ukuthi uzile azi uzoshumayela umfundisi uZweli weza azi futhi uZweli umuntu wensindiso ungashumayela insindiso ongashumayela lento nakhola kuyona, for the fact ukuthi uhlale phansi wamlalela akunandaba ukuthi ubenyobani wena uze kulo muntu lo umemile.
But mawukhuluma ngokuthi na akuyo ngokuthi ushumayela kubani, okay, let me say umenywe inyanga ke uyaqala noshumayeza yona inyanga before ushumayeza abantu ekubizele yona naye iyadinga ukuphenduka. Now uma wena uthi uzomenywa inyanga and u-exclude yona and then you think you're gonna make an impact kubantu bayo kodwa yona ingasizakele, then what's your mission? what are you going there for? Because kala ngalo
so wena hle ufuna
okubizile. Kala ngalo kala
Ake ngiphendule kalula nje sisingakayi. Mina nomfundisi Nhleko into engithanda nami nomfundisi Nhleko ukuthi sabantu ababantu ngakhule emvuselelweni yabo. Mana njengoba sibaningi naye emvuselelweni umfundisi uKevin. Sike samenya umuntu esithi akakholwa sobani. Umuntu ophumela obala ukuthi yena impilo yeChristianity uphumile kuyona. Useqala olunye uhambo esike sithi uhambo lamadlozo lamathongo into enjalo. Sike sashumana naye Nhleko sobani. Kuleyo ndawo. Manje angazi ukuthi uma ekhona uqala ushumana lokuphizile. Ngabe usengiphendula lapho ukuthi mina ngaya ngushozi ngashumeze ngibashumayezayo basizakalele ngize khona yena ngesikhathi kuya yena mhlawumbe lo embizile ongasasayona
wamshumayeza
wamshumayeza kwaphelelaphi kwintshumayelo yakhe nayo
akubuye ukuphendula
ngingaveza nje ukuthi
no angikuphenduli
uyena nalo mbizile bathi ngoba kusho ukuthi njengamanje uzothi akasekho kule platform esibize kulona uma nje ngathi akasekho kulona hayi ngothi ke ngiyaxolisa ungengisho kodwa uma ukuthi lo oyesibizile usangalelo platform ukuthi le impact akhuluma ngayo enkulu kangaka yamhlula wayena angiphendula ukuthi lo oyesibizile ongasekho kwimpilo yamaChristianity wafika wamphendula bagcinana naphi sebeyamukelisana uJesu babili.
No, you need to understand also.
Yeah,
no, but no, Mashumaela, again, we preach on the basis of relationship. Ne relationship account. Uguti, like I went there to minister because I had a relationship nae prior to Uguti having a transition. You know, and when he transition yake no, but I knew because when I came back from that platform, I had implications. I had people saying, Oguti, now you are preaching for this and this. And I had to actually ask, Oguti, what's the story? You know, and I had to say my standpoint to the exact person that invited me. Yeah. And he knows my standpoint. So that's what I'm saying. No, I preached that once, you know, but I'm saying, we are the standpoint. Okay, and therefore,
dynamics.
Invite again.
Okay,
standpoint standpoint sakho again. Umengibiza again. Uzofuna sikhulume nge-standpoint ukuthi ngiphi yena umephi. Uma ukuthi asihambe indlela ezosisa to the common goal, then I'll rather not go than go and actually come back ngizwe kahle ukuthi I'm compromised. Because ekugcineni I don't want to be compromised as well. So I've got people that I minister to, kunabantu abazi ukuthi ngishumayela, and I've got people that I lead who know what I stand for. And I don't want to confuse the very same people that I'm leading in the name of Uguti. I need to appeal to someone or any platform or just be accepted everywhere. I can't. You can't be accepted everywhere. You can't go everywhere.
Yes.
Okay. Umfundisi emeqala umfundisi Nhleko uyichaze nje lento wayichaza futhi ngamagama right ukuthi fanele ucheck association yakhe. Chaza oyena. Kufa ucheck ukuthi associate nobani, uyoshumayela ukuthi uyakubani, yabona bechaza oyena. Manje ngimuze sethi nomdlelwano sefaka futhi phakathi umdlelwano ukuthi yabona angisunderstand ukuthi kanti kusho ukuthi khona obacheckayo uma ningenabudlelwane nabawuyi kubona. Bese ukuthi abanye umuntu obudlelane bomngane nabo uyaya kubona. Phela labantu benza into eyodwa iyafana. And ngeke uthi ufike phambili bese uthene njengoba ngimla phambili ke I can't compromise ukuthi umfundisi uNhleko ushumayela ama platform nje wena uzoshumayela la. Yabona njengoba ushumayela ulethe lokho kulethile. Into ebuye isilimazi njengamaChristian ile ukubizwe okay ngiyaxosa ukumention igama lebandla kodwa ngicela bangixolele ukuthi ngifuna into understand kahle. Ukubizwe mhlawumbe umama mhlawumbe okhonza echibini noma okhonza ephakameni athi besicela mfundisi uzothandaza ekhaya. Uyafika wena uzothandaza la ekhaya. Lo mama ukhonza echibini unento akholela kuyona yasechibini Kanti noma unenkinga noma kunezinto ezimshayayo la ekhaya usekuzamile okwasebandleni lakhe kwamhlula kunokuthi ufike wena bese uletha lokhoze nakho uyafika uqala nje uqala ngeiwasho zakho ushana neiwasho zakhe yabona amathuba ukuthi umuntu umwini asemancane into eshaya ama politicians amaningi ukuthi uma sekuyokhethweni awasho ukuthi wona eza nani azokuthetha ANC yabheda yenziwa no 2 no 3 no 4 the more umuntu umcriticize umenza ayithande kakhulu leyo nto osukuthi umkhipha kuyona kanti mangabona uzana into yakhe mina bengoshumayela nje ngisho mina takhona isidaba mina bengoshumayela ngitshela umuntu ngami ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu ungisizelana nalala enye into yenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukungena kuma platforms lawe sithi abantu abangakholwa noma abantu abagxile kakhulu emadlozini uma ngisindiswa umama einyanga ngiyakwazi ukuba umuntu osindisiwe ngihlala nenyanga endlini ngiphekelwa inyanga endlini ithi ngala lapha abantu phinde izongiphekela ngiphinde ngidle cause uma wami ngihlala nayo endlini ngikhulisile ngayihlonipha so kulula ukukhuluma ngomuntu mhlawumbe uthi uzalo umfundisi ukhulele ekhaya lisindisiwe mina ngiyakwazi ukuhlala emndenini okubuvu ekseni intatha khona umthandazo wakhona uthi hamba nogeza izinto engizaziyo lezi engikhulele kuzona but uNkulunkulu wangenyula khona lapho ngasindiswa uma sengisindisiwe I remember ukuthi ibandla umama ayikhonza kulona elalikhonza ubungoma yabona ukholo kodwa ubumngoma omningi phakathi ukuthi abanye babo bafakisha amanto zakhona zomngoma la ngimema ukuthi ngizoshumayela ngenxa ukuthi kuyazi ukuthi lo mama Mkhomo ingane yakhe ile dumile enziwa no 2 no 3 la ngimema ngizoshumayela ngaya ngawushumayela kanti ngalelo langa sathi ngoshumayela umuntu engiyomlanda uma wami so ngiyayibuza ukuthi ubethwa ngiyanga ngoshumayela kuleza ngoma ngabe umama usasindisiwe ngoba into yadala ukuthi asindiswe ngamkhipha emngomeni ukuthi abanye ke basala benzani baqhubeka benzani kodwa ubufakazi enginabo ukuthi namhlanje ngizalo umama osindisiwe engamlanda esontweni lobungoma
but asilungise la when uthe ungamenywa nawo Satan and uyivume leyo invitation ungamenywa uSatan because I know Satan is a fallen angel and akanayo room yokuphenduka and akanayo room yokubiza abantu ukungibizela ukuthi ngiyophendula abantu so it's not the same you know and I can't therefore I'm willing to be invited by anyone when I know ukuthi abantu they've got convictions ukuthi they will never turn to what I believe in because they are driving another point so that's what I'm saying ukuthi if someone is intentionally driving a point then I don't want to come and just put my influence there when I know ukuthi mhlambe ngizonyakazisa nje gcineni mangihamba uzoqhubeka drive lelo point to a certain extent I'll drive immediately ngiqeda ukwehla I've ministered somewhere where a pastor just said publicly ukuthi after this word I'm not going to do what we usually do thathani nalizwi nihambe uma kode khonolindele ukuthi kube khona something angisezukwenza lutho why because you have made an impact but khona abantu intentionally that you go to and you stand and you minister mawuqeda ukushumayela intentionally after you asalenza izinto zakhe asalenza ama rituals how do you feel after that as a minister uyajabula ukuthi ngimenywe uSathane and ngashumayela and that's it I'm not going to preach
wathula mfundisi uGobhozi wathula
ngicela umphendula before ubeze umfundisi uGobhozi ngizobela lento ngisho manje ngibechaza umfundisi ukuthi uqeda ukushumayela bese kubizwa kuthiwa qhutshwa nezinto zakhona ngithi mina uma wami ongizala ngisakhuluma ngumfundisi uNhleko noGobhozi noDlamini nobani kuba ngalo zala mina ebengimazi ukuthi uvuka ebusuku enza into zakhe ekseni uma evuka nje wasemlindile iqueue yakhe abanye bafaka emanzini enza into zakhe ngabizwa ibandla lakhe engathi ngiqeda ukushumayela la lenza lezi zinto umfundisi uNhleko akhuluma ngazo laqhubeka nendle ngaphela ukuthi ukuze mina ngebayeka indlela yabo ukuze mina nami ngize nolami ngilethe yami indungu ngayiphonsa phansi nabaphonsa zabe indungu kodwa le yami ngayiphonsa ngaleyo le yami ngayiphonsa ngaleyo langa indungu
yakhe induku ayigwini
mfundisi uNhleko le yami ngayiphonsa yayigwenya indungu nginofakazi ukuthi my own mom usindisiwe namhlanje umama ukhonze ebandleni lase-Akford la engikhonza khona usakhona manje umzalwane wakhona o-active kusho ukuthi ke ukuthi basala benzani angeni kulokho engikwazi ukuthi ngangena ngaphuma nongizalayo wena mfundisi uNhleko la ungene kuona ke esashuma la khona waphuma nani Cause wafumana envelope abona angasho ukuthi ama-artist afaka ama-invoice la esangena khona naye sashomana naye khona sangena ne-envelope sobabili naye wafumana envelope egcwele imali waphuma ne-envelope egcwele imali ngoba uma imali isiza awuyibuza ukuthi lo yilethayo iphumaphi kwayena uphasatha kumebiza imnikelo ukathi lethela ama-1,000 ilethe umuntu ononkuru ayebeka esandleni sakhe ilethe isidakwa akaze abuze ukuthi njengoba le mali uyiletha iphuma kuliphi i-altar akayibuzi uyayithatha so la sasibonye khona naye mina ngeke ngashumayela ngomeni ngabuya noma wami yena-ke la sashumaya khona naye wabuya nani ngaphandle kwe-envelope.
Power Hour, this is very interesting. Ngiyaphenduka ziyabuya ngisawuphuza amanzi ngidinga amanzi amaningi. Stay tuned sobuya nje manje. Welcome back. Sibuyile. Sivale kushisa, singaphuzile amanzi ngathi ukuthi kancane. Kodwa sivale umvangeli ushoze ebuza. The evangelist is asking a question. Ngeke sidlule mfunhleko. Ngehubo lapho uthi wabuya yena ezangomeni wabuya noma isinisiwe. Uthi wabuya nani? Lapha nanimenywe khona naye emathongeni.
Okay, ngifisa backtrack nje ngiphinde ngicacise lokho ukuthi lo muntu akhuluma ngaye bese simshumayelela sobabili. Ube umntwana kaNkuluNkulu for many years.
Right.
Ngi-relate naye as umntwana kaNkuluNkulu sishumayela ivangeli naye.
Right.
And then wa branch out ngazi ukuthi umntwana kaNkuluNkulu. When I went to minister for him, bengazi he had not made a public statement of ukuthi I've diverted to this and this and this. He remained declaring ukuthi umntwana kaNkuluNkulu until when I came back I started to be questioned because he was making statements.
Right.
And when I questioned him about those statements he was making,
right,
he actually did account, and I said, at this particular moment, I will not be able to come and stand on that platform because you have publicly announced your stand.
Right.
You know, of which it goes the same way. Ukuthi, at one stage, uJesu confronted the devil in esehlane, and mabe confrontana wakhuluma uSatan ukuthi thatha lamatshe owenza abezinko. And uJesu wathi it is written ukuthi umuntu anakuphila ngasinkwa sodwa. And I would say that ukuthi uSatan offered Jesus an envelope that was like an envelope, but Jesus made a public stand or a stand before the devil. I will not take anything from you. And it's a different case when you go to someone who has publicly created a poster and asho ukuthi ngiyinyanga, and bonke abantu abezayo bazi kahle ukuthi ngize enyangeni, ngizosizakala enyangeni. And then bese ngithi mina I'm gonna go to the same platform and then ngamukele envelope in the name of preaching. I cannot do that. So we need to understand ukuthi again kuya ngokuthi mission yakhe ithini. Now it's different. It's a different case when someone you've been relating with invited, then ashintshe, and then then you get to decide again. But you can't just go openly and say, I'm going to preach for someone who has made it publicly. Ukuthi yena ukholelwe ekutheni akakholelwa nakuJesu, ubiza abantu akababizele nakuJesu, ubabizele kuyena ukuzoba lapha.
And then bese mina ngishumayela mfundisi Hleko singathi ngelangweji yasesontweni umuntu owamgcina ekholwa kanti usewile.
Angifuni ukumkhulumela, angifuni ukumala as a judge, yabo. But ngifuna ukusho ukuthi once I am aware ukuthi this is what the person is standing for, and it's not in line with what I'm standing for, that's where I take my stand to say I will no longer participate in such platforms, until you tell me, because when I'm preaching, I also have a mission, to minister, and I can't just go on your file. Again, I'm saying it because we need to differentiate. Again, not just Wapegana no Satan, but he did not succumb to anything that the devil was suggesting. And so if when you're going to say, I can converse with the devil and listen to what he's saying, yethu Jesu ngakaze alalele neyo 20 ayisho uSathane wazwakhotha ama scriptures wathi uNkulunkulu uyalile ukuthi ingelosi izomnqaba, but Jesus never succumbed to listen and obey whatever the devil was telling him. So it's a different case ukuthi umuntu publicly stands for something that I stand for, bese ngithi mina ngizoza ngizolalela lo muntu just because ngifuna kunabantu lapha I wanna preach. No, it's a different approach.
This is Power Hour. Ngiyabona babushosi.
Honorable Unhleko, kukhona amanga angcwele akhulumayo. Ngizochaza khona manje. Ngiyela ngoba ngiyabona amavesi maningi into engithanda ngeBhayibheli wonke umuntu angakwazi ukukhuluma into eseBhayibhelini engasho into iphinde iphikise.
Yeah.
Like uma ufunda iBhayibheli iGenesis uthola uNkulunkulu enza ubutha phakathi kwenyoka nomuntu bese habe kahle ukuthi inyoka nomuntu uthi uyavula ngalathi uNkulunkulu ubheka inyoka uzuphila. Same God. And uNkulunkulu amshoyo ukuthi uJesu akhuluma noSathane, uNkulunkulu amshoyo ukwaxoxa uNkulunkulu uqobo exoxa noSathane bekhuluma ngoJobe. Bavumelana uNkulunkulu noSathane. Ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi uma singayizwi ngakhulu izwi liyakwa wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukuma ngezwi ethize when it comes to Bible. Baye ngithi umfundisi Unhleko kunamanga angcwele. La khoma khona ukuthi umzalwane wayengakadeclaration. Umzalwane sasekuyena thina nomfundisi Unhleko njengabavangeli bamatende sama ukuthi sikhonza uJesu nayedwa, hayi amanzi, hayi amafutha. Cathi into esishumana nayo leyo Unhleko nathi mase sisemandleni bakithi sibone icrowd ihamba nathi. Kodwa ngiyakholwa ukuthi lo mzana amshoyo Unhleko before angene lokho esikhuluma ngakho manje wayemuntu ovele esedayisa lezi zinto engishoyo way before azasimeme. So Unhleko wayazi ukuthi la ngiyakhona kuyashunyayela kuphinde kuthengwa ama products athize alapha abantu into ayivele yenza. So umbuzo wami usekutheni ke njengoba ivele kwesho ukuthi Unhleko uyam approve odayisa ama products ukuthi nje noma ngophela wayeyadayisa ama products vele either ukufundiswa waya before ashintshele lokho okunye noma wayengashintshele kodwa wayevele sewadayisa ama products years ago. And umfundisi Unhleko uyakwazi lokho wamenye umuntu odayisa ama products waya khona since ke namavesi. Ngicela ukubuza umfundisi Unhleko ukuthi shuthi wena uright ukuya kulaba ama products uyoshumayela kodwa ungayi ke methwa usubizwe inyanga edeclaration. Uright ukuya kulo ofihla into ayenzayo kodwa wazi noma uright ukuya kulo osuke enza into ithe ba yaziwa abantu. Ngaphela umehluko la ukuthi omunye uyenza into yakhe iqhame, omunye uyenza into yakhe ifihleke. Ake ngenze example. Yonke indawo ngishumela kuyona mina ngisho ukuthi angibizobani ngiyafaka ipost ngiyakuphi noma ngabe ubani because ayikho into engisuke ngizoyifihla ngoba ayikho into behind that ukuthi khona okunye okungale ngaphandle ukuthi ngoshumayela. Kodwa mengathiwa ngibiza umfundisi Unhleko athi Rasta uzoshumayela mfethu khona umcimbi engiwenzayo manje ngifuna mina nomama khona into esiyilungisayo ekhaya sokwenza nomcimbi nomncane sihlabe khona into esifuna ukuyiqinisa ekhaya. Then angeke ngikwazi ukukhipha lo post ngoba kusho ukuthi vele khona something eDodge lapho. Kodwa umfundisi Unhleko ngimeme etendeni lakhe ngimebandleni lakhe ethi ngizoshumayela. I'll go and preach ngifake ipost ngoshumayela kuNhleko ngobani mina ngoshumayela. Kudala ngiba ama podium alabantu esithi thina bawile. Abaziwa yithi ukuthi bawile kusho thina sithi bawile. And njengoba sithi bawile nje asisondele kubona kodwa thina futhi siyadla lunch nabo. Kodwa futhi thina asisondele kubona. And mase sidle lunch nabo kuyenzeka le lunch esidlayo ikhokhelwe yibona. Asibuze altar ukuthi iqhamukapi. Sigudi kulama altar when it comes to izinto ezifavor thina nabazane bethu. Kukhona ama teachings imfundisi uZweli are right for ibandla lethi Faith Mission engimele uwagcine kumadodana amadodana zakho ase Faith Mission. Kodwa othi umuntu wakhiphela ngaphandle abe siyakutrapha lento ukuthi mina ngithi nje ngisho mina noma ikuphi akuyona into engayisho ngithi wonke umuntu obuka iPower Hour akahambe oshumayela mina into ukuthi ngikwenze ukukhuluma ngibe bold ukuthi even my father the late apostle uNdlovu uyazazi indawo ngishumayela kuzona ubaba owayenegunya lokuthi athi ungayi lapha iya lapha yonke into ngishumayela kuyona ngiqale ngifonele ukuthi baba ngimenyosi bani uthi ngoshumayela athi my son hamba nochubo lasekhaya and I'll go there ngifike ngishumayele uNkulunkulu enze umsebenzi so uma umfundisi uNhleko kukhona indawo akwazi ukungangeni kuzona kodwa la esashumayela khona naye saphuma ne-envelope khona naye waya asiyeke lokunye kodwa waya azi kahle ukuthi kunama products adayisa so ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uNhleko uyashumayela le ndawo edayisa ama products yebo noma cha.
Number one, when God called me, there was no envelope. So when I go to minister, I don't have the envelope at the back of my mind. I've preached to places, many places I've preached to have not given me envelopes than the place that have given me envelopes. So angifisa ukuthi sikuthathe lokho sikubeke as the main thing. Because once we take that as the main thing, this is where we get distorted. This is where we think we can take any invitation because there's an envelope. Now, once you start doing that, already you are compromised as a minister. So I want you to understand, for me, I preach because there is a mission that God has given me. There's an assignment, envelope or not. I'm still going to stand there on that platform. And then when it comes to products, I don't have an experience where I've ministered and someone publicly in my presence sold products before I stood or after I stood. So you could call it holy lies, but I've not seen it on my eyes, literally. And I don't think I would have the capacity to come and preach to someone who is selling publicly, or even, I've not even seen it on video, someone selling products. You know, you and I know that. Oguti, we have not got to a place where someone publicly says, now I'm a products Nikon. I can never preach in such a platform.
Siyafana lapha ngithi nami angazi ngithi ngiyoshumayela umuntu athi ke uzana indzothela kodwa usala usuke ngame ngazi ukuthi ngoba ipoint yami sekutheni umfundisi uNhleko uya azi ukuthi umuntu engiyakuyena
mhlawumbe angibuze lo mbuzo kanje mfundisi uKevin
yeah so
sifike sishumayeza abantu
yeah
sithi sizodayisa uJesu ophilayo
yeah
okhipha umuntu ezinkingeni amfake kuphileni kahle
yeah
uJesu wafe siphambanelo efela izono zami nezakho nawe ungamthatha umenzo wakho kusho ohlabelelayo umuntu asindiswe abanye babo basindiswa sibayikise inyanga
yeah
sithi ngoba usuthola uJesu awusadingi ukuthi ezinyangeni now umuntu asindiswe ngempela ayiyeke inyanga bese eza kuJesu
yeah
iquestion yami is ubukeka kanjani kulomuntu owamshumayeza uJesu uphinde ubonakale wena futhi sewusepostini yenyanga
yeah that's yabona ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho because njengoba ngishilo nje mangiqala ngathi lento sikhuluma ngayo complex kakhulu and yabona from the standpoint of oyibekile ukuthi ushumayeza umuntu aphenduke umtshela ukuthi ayeke inyanga that at the same time now siyatholakala futhi by association because egcineni njoba uye enyangeni awuyanga nje yes there is a dynamic ukuthi uzowina umphefumulo but kukhona nemali that is involved in other words uzonikezwa njoba bekhuluma nge-envelope uzonikezwa i-envelope at the end of the day. Konde show Paul lapha encwadini yabase 1 Corinthians chapter number 8.
Yeah.
You know, specifically ukhuluma ngendaba yokudla inyama. You know, and Paul is explaining lapha. Uba ne clarity lapha kukhona into ayishoyo concerning conscience. Ongaba ne point ubaba shows in the sense that mayethi you know uya lapha uyowina umphefumulo but khona into Paul ayishoyo ukuthi siyazi ukuthi ukhona uNkulunkulu munye okungaye konke okuyena okudale konke besathi noJesu Kristu okungaye konke kuvela besathi kodwa akusiwona wonke umuntu onaloko kokwazi lokho yabo ukudla kusondeza uNkulunkulu futhi akasusa uNkulunkulu yabo but besathi uma ngihlele endlini mhlambe lese ngibiziwe in fact ngalesikhathi kaPaul kwakhona ama butchery kuma temple
yeah
especially Corinth uPaul wayethanda ukuhlala khona adla inyama khona
yeah
uthi uPaul but ngiyayeka ukudla inyama ebusha. Hayi ngoba kuyinkinga mhlawumbe ukuthi you know kimina lenyama la ishinto ethile but khona lo muntu lo onembeza wakho usacabanga ukuthi lenyama lena isahlatshelwe something. So uthi Paul ke then I withdraw for the sake of uthando lwakhe ngenxa ukuthi angifuna ukubulala umsebenzi kaKristu. It's the same thing esingayisho ukuthi I cannot say as a pastor and if we umfayifi ngiyum Assemblies of God ngishumayeza abantu ngithi mina abantu abayekele inyanga. Bese ngiyahamba I might be sincere like going to preach lapho but uthola ukuthi the people that I preach to because basebancane and balandela mina bangithola futhi at the same time now I'm associating with inyanga. So it's sort of njengoba upholesho iyaba bulala unembeza lokho. You know, bulala unembeza wakho so usuke ulimaza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So ngicabanga ukuthi izinto lezi kufanele siyibheke. You know, ingakho ngishilo ngathi this thing is so complex because uyamthola also no Paul wayengayinankinga ukuthi ahambe ayokhuluma ku-Apollogorus yama-Greek ukuthi akhulume ngendaba yokuvuka abafileyo atestify ngoKristu. That was not a problem. Ukuthi I am all things to all men. Yabo but ina dynamic lapho ukuthi mawushumayeza abantu wathi abaphume enyangeni. At the same time now kusengihlangana noGcabela inyanga enkulu mhlambe yase Hluhluwe. You know I'm just making a name makhona uGcabela ngisho ukuthi ileyo nyanga leyo but I'm just making an example.
Wazi ngisho amagama. Okay, ngicela ukuphendula umfundisi uGiven.
Okay.
Kukhona izifundiso abona musu nebandla. Unezifundiso ukuzenza ebandleni lakho.
All right.
Ezisebenzela wena nabantwana bakho. Ezi right for ibandla lakho. Angithabona ngaphinde ngathi uma kukhona into engizoyenza ngiyenza ngoba kukhona okunye behind ngale angikwazi ukuveza. Ayenze example nje kunomunye ubaba ethe kunodumile nje uhamba nezinyoka udumile nje waziwayo drive imoto enkulu. That person kumina ufana nokuthi umalume ngoba umkhulele emlazi kwaji wangasekhaya umndeni wasekhaya umndeni owodwa nje yabona ufana nokuthi umalume lento yenze vele sesibadala. Kuyenza ukuthi uyadlula ngasendlini la ngihlala khona eTown uyangibona amese imoto ehlisiwe ethi hey mshana unjani yabona ngisathi ngiphendula ngithi awu ngiyaphila malume right umfundisi uGiven noma umfundisi uNhleko noma umfundisi nami bedlula ngemoto bebona yenemile nami ngime lemoto nami ngikhuluma naye bona ngokwe mentality yabo sebenento sebeyicabangile bayiconclude kodwa bangazi akekho umuntu ongakhipha ukungcola kwakhe akulethe publicly. Uma ngathiwa ushows ufuna abona ngiyibuza ukuthi bengathiwa impela nje manje ba sengihambe ngaka noNkulunkulu bengathiwa ngiyashintsha nje manje ngivele ngijike nje ngithi hayi sengikhonza uNkulunkulu nje umkhonze fanele niqale nikhuqele abantu abami kusho ukuthi khona abantu abangalandwa ngama-ambulance emzini yabo uma ngabe kuwukuthi ukuqhamuka kwipost okade waqala wakhipha ama-post kungenza ukuthi kuthiwa kunyakaze umhlaba wonke and muthi abantu abanyakaza umhlaba wonke abanayo inhliziyo esolweningi uma benza inkonzo bazokutshela ngeenkonzo zokuthi dominion banibani yabona ayikho inkonzo umuntu ayikhulumayo esikhuluma ukuthi nesenza i-soul winning lento siyifunayo abahlele umfundisi uNhleko kuma-couch abo masontweni ku-right becula worship team babeshaya amanzi namajuice thina sazi buhlungu bokubeka i-open air ubeka ibheke eziwu-2 nje bekade uNhleko nje hamba oshumayela. There is something kade ngangiyenza leli sonto lonke bengenza ama-open airs ngihambe ngishumayela izolo kusindiswa abantu so into siyijwayele leyo.
But kufuneka singakudeny ukuthi there is also a temptation and if you open yourself up as a minister to say I'm prepared to preach anywhere, then you are opening yourself up to temptation. Mangithi temptation ngisho ukuthi you are saying wena if someone can call you and even to a point where they offer you something, then you would not even look at what it will do to your reputation. And as ministers of the gospel, once we take our reputation out of what we are doing, then it means Oguti, if you are saying, I'm going to preach, but I don't care how people look at me, you are like saying, Oguti, I can drink water with a bottle gachwala, and I don't care who says what, I know I'm drinking water. Okay, and as a minister, I know, Oguti, also reputation comes with it. So if I'm going to preach for someone who has publicly denounced Christ, And then I say, I'm going to preach because I'm preaching to anyone. Then you are saying you are a preacher that is vulnerable and you do not care about the very same people you are trying to win over.
Okay, get a simple nje. Ongazi kahle yabona ukuthi konke engekho right. Mina ngiyathi kwa stroke last month ukhange temptation imfundiso Nhleko. Ngiyathi kwa stroke last month October sangishaya ngi right. Same people abashumayela uKristu. Umfundiso Nhleko esibathembayo. Abanye babefika endlini yami befika nezinto ezithize abakholelwa ukuthi izinto ezingangisiza kulento engiphethe. Same people abaza ama temptations abaza amavesi amakhulu nezambulo. My wife angayifakazela leyo nto leyo. Wazi wayibuza ukuthi kanti kunjani uma ebona abantu bethu omunye ngaze ngamtshela ngathi angikwazi ukushumayela uJesu ophilisayo all these years kube khona abantu abaphilile kwiministry yami yaka Wave bephiliswa lo Jesu emsho bese kuthi mina uma sengena enkingeni bese ngibona ngathi lo Jesu akanamandla okungiphilisa. There was a temptation because bengidinga usizo ngingekho right ngifuna ukuyibona ngi-right kweza bona bakhona ama temptations bengilethela ukusiza kodwa no umfundiso Nhleko no but ngilenselethele abantu ngilenselethele ukuthi la mfundisi uzweli abantu abaphethe amavesi amakhulu abazi temptation nombuzo ayikho inyanga yakanginika ilokhuzana i-off ukuthi hayi woza ngala ngizokusiza 1 2 3 4 ayikho abantu abenginikeza ama-offers abantu othi uma uvula ama-Facebook wabo uyambuza uJesu bamaze enziphweni
lo mbuzo uyangishisa ngiyacela ukubuza
ubuze futhi uzawuphendula
uma niyoshumayele ungithi vele uye washumayele enyangeni
awukade ngaqala mfundisi angiqala ngamanje mhlawumbe babona abantu kade ngaqala mfundisi
ushumayele okay ngifuna ukubuza ngoba manje ngi-curious maniqala inkonzo nenze njani ngesikhathi inyanga isenze into zayo isabiza omalandela
abasebala mina mfundisi wami mengoshumayela ngiyayazi into engiyenzayo ngiyazazi ngimiphi from 1940 today ngiyazazi ngimiphi mina noma ngithethe ngasindisele emndenini owazi imithi nomndeni umama oyelapha abantu phambi kwami ntomnyango ayingithusi wani uma ungimema mina ngisho ukuthi ngimenye umuntu ongasiyinyanga nginezinto engeke ngiyicele zami njengoba ngisho ukuthi simonye abafethu abadayisa ama-products ngiyamcela ukuthi bengimema mfethu ngicela uhloniphe noma ngizokuhlonipha hlonipha i-office lami uma ungibiza ngizoshumayela ngicela ngithole ukushumayela mina ngiqeda ngihambe uzosala wenzeni angifuni lo angihlangana nalokho so noma imani osuke ngimema ngoba abanye bathuka manje nje sebebona ipost ngathi khona mhlawumbe kumehluko ukuthi manje mhlawumbe kukhona ngcono ngakho ngazi kodwa kade ngaqala ukushumayela kubantu ekuthiwa abakholwa or izinyanga kade ngayiqala ukushumayela all these years kade ngakwenza lokho
so isicelo sakho kubona ukuthi impepho bayishisa usuhambile noma before ufike
yabona ke even worse ukuthi bangcono bona bayizinyanga impepho bayishisa kwazi ukuthi bashisa impepho nalabo esindiswe nabo mina uma wami ngimaze ukuqinisa imizwa abefundisi uma ngathi ulantu uma ngipha out azokhuluma bese nje akaveza amagama ukuthi ngeke sikwenze lokho ungamangala ukuthi ngikhumbule langa kwakunomlindele ekhaya one of the pastors osemlazo umama wayosebenza kulowo muzi unowashe umlindele uqinisa umuzi umfundisi nemission yomfundisi so uma ngabe kukhona into osuke uyenza ngokucasha uyasaba ukukhuluma wabona uma ngabe usuke umfundisi yenza into yakho uma into uyenza njengoba ngikupha hour nje angisho ukuthi umfundisi uzweli fihla ubuso bami uyishintshe ivoice yami uze ngabona athi into engiyikhuluma ngikhuluma into eyimi bathi wathabe ngisa la ngafuna ukukhuluma into eyimi bengizofihla ubuso bami ngithi bafethu production yakho ayenza ivoice yami ukuthi ibe nebase ingazwakala ukuthi urasta khuluma but I have nothing to hide so ngiyakulezi indawo ngoba ayikho into engiyifihlayo nengiyisabayo
abanye bathi mfundisi lapha niswa indlala ngeke ngabona umunye ebhalile wathi sikhuluma kangcono thina ngoba nina le inyanga lezi zinondlile ngesikhathi selokudala nathola imali zaninakekela
uqinisile mhlawumbe kumasanzi wakhe asuke wondla yena ngoba awukwazi ukubona indlala kumuntu ongakazi akunikeza iphone call acela ukuthi umthengele usawoti yabona awukwazi ukubona indlala kulowo muntu so akekho umuntu onelungelo lokubona indlala kumfundisi uzwela athi emfundisi indlela ulambile kodwa engakazi umfundisi uzwela amfonele athi angithele upetrol ka100 ngineshow mengibeka imvuselelo ngibudgetela kanzima ukuthi laba abazi amavesi amakhulu bahlehle and awunalo ilungelo lokukriticize izinto noma umuntu ongakazi uzokunqoba into enenhla yenzayo uma usubona ngathi lokho akwenza ku-wrong. Okwesibili, abantu abagudi kakhulu ekuboneni into e-wrong abanayo into ukuthi uma bebona abona nje ukuthi umfundisi uNhleko khona into ayenzile wrong. Nginenamba yakhe efoni yami. I will call him and say umfundisi uNhleko ithini into yakhe and umfundisi uNhleko no. Ukuthi siyaphambana ngembona ukuthi siyaxabana. Kodwa uma umfundisi uNhleko ezovela asuke nje engazi into namba yami avela asuke ayobhala angithi lento esilimaza mfundisi ukuthi uma sabantu abangenayo following sifuna ama comments nama likes. Engathi singabhala ngomuntu ongcono ngoba awukwazi ukubhala ngomuntu ongaphansi kwakho, ngathi ubhala ngomuntu ongconywana kunawe ukuze uthola ama comment uba umuntu acheka labantu ababhala izinto uma ebhala into nje yakhe uthola ama comment awu5 kodwa bebhala ngomunye umuntu kuyanyuka kancane kube ko30 ko40 bebhala ngomuntu ongcono. So abantu abaningi ba criticize izinto zabantu bese umuntu bajaka ama likes noma awukwazi ukubona indlela kumuntu ongaze azeze kwenathi ngilambile yabona. Njengoba ngina 41 years akekho umfundisi eThekwini KZN ongakathi ngeke ngathola icall ku Rasta bafethu kuyabheda ucela nje icross ama 200 akekho no1 ever since ngaqala ukushumayela and mekuqala lockdown la bayisho lockdown iqala ngiqeda ukuqala ibandla kanti kuze lockdown uNkulunkulu wangenzela umusa ngathola abantu abaright ebandleni lami lockdown lokho yaqala mina ngigrand angikhali ngamuntu ngiright umuntu obona indlalo wazi ngayo indlalo ukuthi uyayitho manje bana banendlala ama likes nama comments
lento ukuthi nje nidliwe inyanga lockdown yonke ichitha
angithi nje bazi ukuthi bondliwa inyanga ngisho ukuthi uyazi ubuyalunguza
Yeah.
Ngoba awukwazi ngiyashika ngathi awukwazi ukugxeka ipha hour ungazizibuki. Ngeke ngicriticize umfundisi uzole ngithi pha awuyabheda 1 2 3 ngaze ngize ngibuke ngibona into ebhedayo. Labantu ababagxekayo bayabalandela. Futhi uthola ukuthi abanye abantu bekhonza kubona babona sebengale abese umuntu ekhuluma out of anger yokuthi uluza abantu bakhe ekade bondla yena abese bona ngathi sekuzokondleka thina siyayisebenzela imali yesisebenzela yabona siyithola ngokusebenza mina nje before ngibe umshumayeli ngadla ama keyboard kuma-artist amakhulu uma udlala ama keyboard kubaculi khona ekuthiwa ama royalties ile ekuthiwa ukhokhela uyoshona ngomsebenzi wenzile ziningi ingoma ezama hit engazenza kuma CDs abaculi nangama DVDs that alone iyongondla ngoze ngiyofa izondla abantwana bami manje lo suke sebona uvela kwi-poster bese xa ngokuthi i-poster uyangoba yabona abanye into bebashaya ukuthi bacanthe insindisweni sifike manje baqhamuke bona sebenama-title amakhulu thina siseve sabafana saseva samakhiwa players saseva sabavangeli sazafika la sikhona sine track record ukuthi lo siyamazi efika la esontweni engenalutho uNkulunkulu emsusa emothi abanye baqhamuke nje boom umuntu esenegama elikhulu ngamanje uyamuza uqhamuka mina ngisadlala ikeyboard ngiqala ukushumayela mhlawumbe wayesayedlela utshwala mabodla utshwala moyesenza into ayenzayo but aqhamuke bese umuntu ke athathe i-office ngoba lento namfundisi yokuthi ushumayelaphi ngoba umvangeli leli office lomvangeli linakho ukuthi thatheke njengazuthi i-office labantu abayizididi abangayazi into abayenzayo angithi yabona bese ungathi umuntu mhlawumbe umprofeti umpostoli yabona noma upastor uphethe ibandla ngathi khonto engcono labantu engibafundisa kala ma-altar balandwa yithina nge-office lomvangeli angithi mina ngilanda umuntu enyangeni ngimshumayeza abese ezongena kuwena njengompostoli omkhulu noma njengomfundisi omkhulu azokhonza nawe bese uyakhohlwa lo muntu umthola uhleli kosofa wena ngamlanda mina ehlalweni engakhaviwe ngilanda lo muntu uma sela usubona ngathi mina into engiyenza iyabheda most abantu enibalidayo emabandleni abantu abaphendula abavangeli bekhonza izinyanga abanye bezinyanga abanye bezangoma yabona balandwa yithi ngama-ofisi okuvangela uma sebefikile la sengishaya thina futhi nini.
This is Power Hour. Very interesting. Sesovala manje mfundisi Khophoza, I want us to talk about something briefly bese siyavala.
Yeah.
Lento legama esilisebenzisayo lama altar. I know ukuthi it's very, let me say, commonly used.
Yeah.
Wona lama altar eswabangayo, are they still even in existence or relevant, shall I say? Because kukhona uChrist wasifela esiphambanweni.
Yep.
Is there any altar that can affect me as a child of God if I've accepted Christ?
Okay.
Is it something that a believer should really entertain?
Ngiyabonga umbuzo wakho Kazlam.
Yes.
It's a very important question.
Right.
Ukuthi nje isikhathi asikho ngisazom-addressa ubabushozi but ngangiphendula umbuzo wakho straight. Igama elokuqala nje lithi altar fanele si understand ukuthi etymology ibalekile ukuthi sisebenzisa kanjani igama ethi mispa.
Yeah.
Lisuselwa kulokhuzana lisuselwa kulokhuzana kuzaba osho slaughter.
Yeah.
So makhuluma nge-altar ukhuluma nge-building, not a building but ukhuluma nge-shrine eyakhiwe ukuze islotterish. Okay, so njengamanje uma singathi siyalibuyisa manje angiyiboni into eyi-altar.
Yeah.
Leyakhiwayo kuthiwa this is an altar. Siyasebenzisa lama terms lawo, but understand mawuthi altar likabani. It cannot be an altar because i-altar lalakhiwe ukuze libe umhlatshelo. Whether umhlatshelo wokushiswa, umhlatshelo wesono, umhlatshelo wecala, umhlatshelo wokudla, lokho kwakuyi-altar. Bese kuba khona i-altar leli lempepho elaliba phakathi nendawo engcwele nendawo engcwele.
Yeah.
But i-altar is simply ngaphansi kwesivumelwano esisha silaba fulfilled kuKristu. You know, sine altare, umbhalo wamaHebheru uyakhuluma nge-altare, uhlanganisa nesiphambano.
Yeah.
Ukuthi mabaphume, you know, suffer with him outside the city. For here we do not have an enduring city, but we look for the one to come. So it's clear ukuthi iBhayibheli malikhuluma nge-altare, i-fulfillment ye-altare ifulfillwe on the cross. So lento le yama-altars ukuthi kune-altare, mhlawumbe ungasho ukuthi i-shrine or noma ngalento esiZulu ekuthiwa umsamo. But i-altar lalakhiwa, kwakhona lalakhiwa ngamatshe, khona lalakhiwa nge-bronze, but i-altar lalakhiwa. Kwangayona nje into ekuthiwa unqamama nje le ndawo la ngizokhuluma kuyo bese ngithi i-altar. Ama-terms esiwasebenzisa wrong. Into ekuthiwa nje i-altar, it's irrelevant. In any case ongayibuka ngayo, it is unapplicable.
So lo msindisi uba ugcwele kuFacebook wena mngani wami uthi Siphosisi.
You know, ngiyawuhleka even the
Sorry, unjani?
Ngiyawuhleka.
Okay.
Because even nama-terms esiwasebenzisayo ngiyabona ukuthi abantu abangazi ngempela because kuvele wakhokha intshumayelo ethile wayeza umfundisi othile ethi kunama-altare and nama-altare lawa ka-understand ukuthi kuhlanganiswa kwe-altare kuhlanganiswa upriest i-altare leyakhiwa niphuzana njengento niyahlala into engekho something that is not even there, something that is not even existing. I-altare lokuthi yes umuntu angaworshipa something that is foreign, but that's not an altar. Ingakho Paul uyabona uPaul ngekathi ngene eAthens wayekhuluma ngama-altar simple vele kwakulethwa kuyimhlatshelo like kwakubulawa kuslotharishwa khona because igama vele lithi altar liza nomhlatshelo. So uma ngingitshela ukuthi you know i-altare ngaba mhlawumbe umsamo ehlatshelwa kuwo, that cannot be an altar because an altar kwakwakhiwa kuli altar.
Manje njengoba nje lento sihambe 4 months wena ushuthi nje bekuyisoccer game nje lento into umdlalo.
No, yazi I was just looking at it. You know, especially laba abasebenzisa le term ethi altar. I was laughing a lot. Bengihleka gazi lami because you know abazalwane yazi I think it's a challenge. I-challenge le kithina bazwa isikhathi sokuthi sihambe sifunde iBhayibheli. Siliqonde kahle yabona si understand the scripture. Yabona le ndaba leyo ukusontisana nokusonta sesonte kakhulu isikhathi sokusonta siphelile. You know, and ngiyayithanda le generation lelandelayo because iyabuza awuzukushumayela phela uthi hallelujah uJesu kanjani. No, they will question you, they will ask you because really we need to really understand. Yeah, yilokho nje ebengifuna ukugcizelela endabeni zama-altar ukuthi yabona nje umuntu o-apply nentshumayelo nje ethi kukhona i-altar hamba uyolunga khona intshumayelo esiyishaya sithi you know i-altar yalungisa i-altar ulungisaphi. What do you mean? Because the only fulfillment of the altar is the cross.
So mfethu ngiyengibone la mfundisi sithole ukuthi kuzothiwa sizokwakha i-altare sinikele sizokwakha i-altare lapha should leyo nto nje shuthi sekubanjwa abazalwane.
That thing is out. Yabona nje i-altare kukhona ezinye izinto ezaphushwa i-Roman Catholic Church. For example bakha you know itafula phambili ekuthiwa umfundisi kuthiwa i-mass lento ethi i-Eucharist bela khona bethi khona le doctrine of transubstantiation la khona kuthiwa khona isinkwa lesihleshulwayo is a literal body of Christ kwathiwa lelani i-altar. Bona at least banemqondonyana ukuthi i-altar yakhiwa because kuba itafula la khona a priest or a bishop a minister khona you know bese kuthiwa i-altar.
Thina wethu asematendeni
Thiwa cabanga ukuthi uzokwakha i-altar etendeni. Anyway, scripturally you know basically mawukhuluma nje nge-altar into efulfill i-altar i-cross. where we can bring people babona umhlatshelo ophelele and complete or fulfill sin sacrifice, transgression sacrifice, peace offering, cereal offering. Iwona kuphela lo umhlatshelo kaKristu. That is the only altar that fulfills, that is the ultimate altar esingabring abantu itafula yilento oyimisile laphana ukuthi ubize altar call. That's not even an altar. Because altar fake kube nomhlatshelo ohlatshwayo khona, of which then mawungathi altar ke lelo libekayo umhlatshelo kaJesu yini, what is the sacrifice of Christ? So khona izinto efanele siyi-check siyibhekisise. But the last point engifuna ukuthi ngilibeke ukuthi in our evangelism bafowethu kubalekile lokho, and it's very important ukuthi une point ubaba Nhleko mayethi there must be an intent. Ngeke ngisuke la, mangivangela fanele ngibe ne-intent yokuthi ngizovangela. I'm going to win. NjengoPaul, uPaul azabizwe nje kwi-Apostolos wabizwa because imission yakhe vele was to evangelize, was not to make money. Because ekugcineni cabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto ezishayayo ku-generation esiphila kuyo ile monetization of or commercialization of religion. Iyasibulala kakhulu leyo nto leyo. Thola ukuthi ezinye izinto sibanga, hayi ukuthi sibangani, sibanga nje this issue of envelope. Izwa lento la sibanga ukuthi mhlambe ubani wenzani, but ngicabanga ukuthi khona izinto efanele siyibukezele ifike ngempela i-reformation. Angisho ukuthi i-ministers kufanele kuthiwa hayi ngoba mina ngikhulele esontweni, no, la kuthiwa khona i-minister keep him humble, we'll keep him poor, basho njalo. Whereby manje i-minister iyasuffer, and especially good ministers suffer because uthola ngempela, yabona mina ngizokutshela iqiniso, uthola ukuthi amanye ama-ministers khona izinto azenzayo, and we have to be honest, abanye bayiphose ey'ntweni because babethraywa abazalwane, yabo ababasupport abazalwane. Thola ukuthi umfundisi, angisho ukuthi vele ukukholwa kuyidela as ngufakazi walokho ukuthi khona izinto engasacrifice myself for, but into ebalekile ukuthi let's encourage the church ukuthi yekani ukukhuluma kakhulu nani, isikhathi sokuthi nihlangane support ministers. Yazi abazalwane bayakhuluma, kulula ukuthi bakhulume bona abazalwane, kodwa when a minister fall into a trap ibona futhi abakhuluma kakhulu, kodwa kuyibona abawu keep him humble will make him poor. Which is absolutely not right. And manje ke uthola ukuthi sekuwina labantu laba ke kakhulukazi laba abangashumayeli ivangeli kaKristu ibona abaphumelelayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi masibhekisisa kahle lokho kubalekile.
It's very interesting. This power sesiyavala manje. Ngeke ngizingawubuzi lo mbuzo. Ngiyanibuza nonke individually. Mfundisi Nhleko, uyashumayela enyangeni ezangomeni.
Hayi angikakayimiseli futhi ngokushumayela ezangomeni nasey'nyangeni. So mayisacabanga ukungimema, hayi abame nje angikho right.
Wangabe right kusondela la?
No, ngi-right nje ngokushumayelela the mission engiyibizelwe and platforms, and I'm still gonna define ukuthi ngiyakuphi angiyikuphi. I'm not going anywhere, everywhere. No Satan akakhohle mayisacabanga ukuthi uzongimema.
Makuthi ukuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu indlela ukuthi uthola imali ngaleso sikhathi noma ngaleyo nyanga.
Impilo yami when God called me, He called me, there was no envelope, there was nothing, and God has been my source from that time until now. So no one is responsible for how I live from here, only God. So envelope zenu ngi-right ngaso. Thank you.
Okay. God inyanga mayikuphi imali nihlangana nje ejobheni kuphi imali ungayithanda?
If ngi-right ngalokho I will accept. If ngingekho right I will not accept. But it's not about money per se. It's about my convictions and where I stand.
Niyahlangana nje ejobheni.
Isn't thing short, I'll have to check my convictions. If I'm okay about receiving that, I'm okay. But if I'm not okay, if I feel good, this is gonna affect me, or it's tampering with my convictions at that particular time, I'm not gonna take it.
Mfundisi uGiven. Uyashumayela enyangeni nasezangomeni mothola ama-invitation.
Okay, let's just put it like this. Yabona, it's two-way. ukuya mina myself going to kushumayela enyangeni by my own will, yes, but to be invited, no.
So mothola incwadi ethi uyamenya uzoshumayela ngo10 ngoSaturday.
No, that's a different.
Inyanga nhlaka
That's a different thing. I will tell you why.
Yeah.
Because I will have to live by your rules. Because mangifika la emzini wakho,
Yeah.
you know, fanele ngenze yonke into by your rules. Or I have to negotiate. I cannot subject myself. But mangenza umsebenzi of evangelism.
Yeah.
Only leader ekutheni fanele ngifike emzini wakho ezinyanga. Yeah, I would go without doubt. Futhi mangifika endlini because I would knowing ukuthi ayikho interchange and fellowship between me and you. Into engiyizele la objection yami ukuthi ngizo propagator the kingdom of God. That's it, without a doubt, because one of the things engiyinqenayo kakhulukazi makwenziwa lento ekuthiwa ama transactions.
Yeah.
Ukuthi anyway ngizodeliver service and
Yeah.
mina as a guest fanele kube khona izinto engiphinde ngithi suppress kancane, so I'm at your mercy. So no, I can't take that invitation. But
Mawuhlangana
preaching,
nenyanga.
but
Mawuhlangana
preaching,
nenyanga ikuphi imali?
mangihlangana nenyanga iphi imali ngiyayithatha imali. I take the money. I take the money. You know, I take the money. Ngiyayithatha imali. Why should I? Imali. I take the money.
Awudinge conviction wena.
No. The fact why uzonginikeza. And again, fanele wazi ukuthi fanele understand lokho ukuthi njengoba unginika nje akho strings attached between me and you. Wena osukile wazonginika imali.
So le mali evela akusengiyasaba ukusebenzisa igama lamalithalo ngoba uchithile sengiyasaba ngamanje. Imali evela empepheni lapha unankinga
No, bro.
usebenzisa.
If you came to me and you said, Pastor Given, now building,
Yeah.
you want or you
Konzelani
involved orphanage home. We need money. I've got to take the, you know, you quite like see understand very clear.
Yeah.
Ukuthi lento noma ngabe uyilokhuzane wayidlulisaphi kumina ayisho lutho leyo nto leyo.
Yeah.
And it doesn't mean anything to me. So mawiletha leyo mali leyo anginendaba ne-intent yakhe I'm gonna use except wenza lento eyenziwa ile yansizwa leyana ubani konje Simon kuPeter. Lethi akamdayisele. Then ngilapho khona ngizokurebuke nemali yakho.
Yeah.
But right there if you come to me and say, Given sizokusupport naye, take that money. Why should I even ask for intent? Because ngithatha njengesipho.
Ugcine lo isela lantshontsha imali.
Bese liyaphenduka.
Laphenduka. Imali utalishisa. Ngiyazi ukuthi isathi sayingane kwakuba khona inkonzo lapho kuthiwa soshisa impahla ezidala. Akhumbula mfundisi uRasi. Sasiba nenkonzo sishisa impahla ezidala.
Ngikhumbula kahle baba babekwenza lo. Baba babekwenza kakhulu.
Athi umuntu ngasindiswa ngitshontsha kaEdgars. So nginamachine engawanikwa umuntu omdala. Sathana uyibiza ngomuntu omdala.
That one is very complex.
Kodwa sesindisiwe mfundisi.
Mhlawumbe usephendukile.
Mhlawumbe
nalabantu laba ayibatshontshele le mali. Abasazi.
Naye mhlamba akasabazi.
Naye mhlamba akasabazi. That's a different it's very complicated.
Kodwa ngacishe ithatheke.
Because at the same time ubuthi no, you must be honest. Ekugcineni we are not perfect as ministers. Yazi ukuthi ngiyaye ngisho lento. I always tell people this thing. Never say never.
Yeah.
You know, especially when it comes to money, because sonke sidepend emseni kaNkulunkulu. Ngingathi ngeke ngiyithathe uthola uGiven eseyithatha. That's why, because Given is a sinner at the end of the day. You have to really understand that.
Yeah.
So we are dependent on God's grace. Uzofana noPeter uthi ngeke ngiyithathe. But where I stand, to be honest, as a sinful man, because I realize ukuthi kunama dynamics la fanele ngile mali lengiyithathe, because if I ibuyele kusasa, because awanda khona ithi into right fanele ngiyithathe ngiyibusele kusasa.
Yeah.
But where I stand in all honesty, because ngahlatshwa izwi ngizoyithatha.
This is Power Hour. We leave no stone unturned. Pastor Given uKaslami lo. M5 uyashumayela enyangeni. Awulook.
Hayi mina nje mfundisi mekhona umuntu.
Yeah.
Hayi khulileke mphakathi.
Uyaye.
Mekhona umuntu nje mphakathi.
Khona la uyakhona nje soon recent.
Usathi soon ngomgqibelo, usathi soon usho into ekudala ngomgqibelo. ngomgqibelo lo sekulesithathu nje ngomgqibelo
uzobulapho
baba ngishimala khona ayihlelele into yakho isishaya ngamalengiso bezethu fike ematene nethu fike kukhanya iglobe eyodwa edabukiselayo nesound because akhona esihohozayo yabona ngabona enye into ukuthi khona umuntu ethi inyanga ungahlela inkonzo enje into esihlula kangaka sesinikele kangaka so mina ngomgqibelo ngiyakhona ngiyoshumayela
enyangeni
bekhona umuntu ngoshumayela
mana obvious futhi iyakunika imali inyanga
phela ngithi nobani umema uyakunika imali nawe nje umema unginika imali so imali
uzobe uphakamisa izandla lapha na
imali siyithatha everywhere
sengisho ukuthi uzobe uphakamisa izandla nawe lapha
kuphike
inyangeni sekudunyiswa lapha nawe
ukuthi sesikhathi manje ngibona check kwenzakala
mhlawumbe sekuthiwa nje xhuma lapha thonga xhuma seyasukuma umfundisi
mina ngimazi njengoshozi nokwenzeke last time ukuthi bese ngingene angibuze ngigibele ngishumayele ngiqede phuma nomama wami sihambe ngoba phela nginento eziningi yabona nento yabona nje ngomgqosho endane ezo3 ngiqala khona ngiyakwenye futhi esitenga ngicinde ubusuku emvuselelweni indawo ngenye zona zo3 eziningi angizele ukwenzelela ekhaya ngizoshumayela lokho engikuphethe ngithi stop sami bese ngiyahamba so nje mekhona umuntu oyinyanga noma oyisangoma ufuna umema ngishumayela noma ngimeme ephathini yakhe umshadweni wakhe ngoba sikeshadiza umuntu omsindisiwe othola ukuthi ushada nomuntu lapho oyinyanga ofihlile ufaka bona ngami na welcome khulekani umvakelo lasashozi wafika kwela elami manje phezulu mina liyazi andinankinga so laba abanye noma kuthiwa bangicriticize avela ngiphili ngaba ngina stress sabo ukuthi bathini okwabo lokho akufuni mina lokho base bekhuma ama views akho ngoba into esilimazayo into ukuthi sifuna ukubhala ngoba sifuna ukujabulisa my daughter noma my son mama mina ngiphili lo mpilo impilo yabanga into eshaya ama Christian nje kuphila impilo eyifake kakhulu so mina ngifuna isiyansa yami nje yebo bekhona abantu I'm going Lekho ngosathane bengenza isibonelo. Okwesibili it's not about imali. Noma ngidala mina ngempulpit bayazi abanye ukuthi bayabuka amabhawa. Khona baba ngimember ngimemo 3 days useqeda umunye ngimtshela time first. Khapha ngiyakwazi ukuhosta kanjani. So kulula ukuthi umuntu engamcindezeli mengimemile. Khona indawo kuye kuzona ushumela 3 days ungatholi lutho ube right futhi ungabe nankinga ngoba uya understand ukuthi uhosta kanjani. Bese kuba khona umuntu ojwayela ukukhuluma kakhulu umuntu ongajwayelanga ukuhosta imvuselelo zesolweni. Kulula ukukriticize into ongazungene kuyona. Umuntu owazi ukuhlela imvuselelo nowazi ubunzima bokuhlela imvuselelo nowazi ubunzima bemvuselelo akakhulumi noma kanjani ngoba kuyenzeka umile phambili emvuselelo ushumayela kuvele ngene umuntu eshaya iphandla esuka la zoshaya phezulu angena azohlala phambili uyamqosha ntsasha skiphandle umuntu akakholwa asindisiwe kuyenza ngene kungena sothi nasemasotweni futhi sihleke umbuzo kuyenzeka isikhathi ngene emasotweni kuyenza ukhipha envelope ama 300 rand enye ibuyi no 10,000 ngakusasa uyabuya umethe phambili uthi bazalwane bengicela ama envelope ngikhipha envelope no 300 khona ufaka u 10,000 ngicela ngibone emva kwenkonzo ukuze angichazele ukuthi le mali uyithathephi ayikho imali esuke ichaze ukuthi ithathephi there is no envelope ayikho imali transfer account
so wena ufuna conviction nje
la ngoba le mali esuke ngena account yami isuke engayazi uthi develop owakho lo wazi develop mina nginezindleko zemvuselelo ngifuna ukuyikhava engikuthanda zathi uNkulunkulu ukhava indleko uma letha ke isigebengu silethe 20,000 imali engifuna ukukhava indleko asingangichazela ukuthi nasithathe phokwaso lo sakuhlake indaba
asivaleka lo mbuzo
yes
isigebengu sitshontsha imali sikunikeza imali
yabona ngiyabona simathe imali ingabhali ukuthi develop nje bechaza isigebengu yena uhambo oshaya ibhenki meshaya ibhenki okwakhe akuhlangene nami mina melethe imali ngiyabona ukuthi iphika ngidinga ama monitor awu ebandle nadinga 20,000 umuntu uthi 20,000 ngiyawudinga 20,000 ngoba nje bakade saqala ukushumayela nje ziningi indawo esime kuzona ezinye zazi igebengu ezabefundisa umehlo ukuthi zicashe ngale ivangeli angithi abona ngoba ziningi igebengu ekhona phakathi empilweni yamaKristu ezabefundisa ecashe ngevangeli ezinye zishaya khona imani laundry emasotweni nazo yabona uthola ukuthi umuntu isonto lakhe umuntu uyabona ukuthi liyakhehlezela nobona kahle kodwa uthola izinto ezenzakalayo ayikho into aphila ngaphila ngevangeli umuntu ungishumele phela kodwa umuntu uyabona izinto azenzakalayo abonza hayibo lo muntu aphatha abantu aba7 kodwa wawo umuntu ophezulu kangaka kwenzeka kanjani so igebengu ngazona lezo ukuthi icashile so uma kuza umuntu yabona manje sibheke phasikeni uma kuza umuntu ethi shows nangu 30,000 mina nginedleko zephasi ngithatha imali ukuthi vele lapha kuhlangene nami lokho asiyeke ukuphila impilo yokuba ama fake ngoba sijabulisa abantu esibakhitaza eceleni yabona mina ngiyayazi calling yami ukuthi kuphi ngihamba ngecalling yami ukuthi omunye umuntu umekhomenta kusekuyilungelo lakhe lama data akhe nama gig akhe nefoni yakhe kodwa kungishintshi lokho.
This is Power Hour. Siyabonga befundisi, thank you so much for spending your time with us namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu. Definitely we had a good time and I hope abalaleli bethu had a good time. ngicabanga ukuthi sesifika la sesigoqa one power. Thank you very much to everyone who is tuned in, and thank you so much to our viewers for a never-ending support. Special thanks to our broadcasting team who have made this broadcast a success. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyambonga uNkulunkulu sibele lithuba lokuba sihlangane sikhulume indaba zikaNkulunkulu. Don't forget to keep on sending those comments. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ama-views are expressed here akuwona ama-views Siba 760 kodwa ama-views are individual views, but let us engage in a respectful manner. Stones have been turned. Thank you very much for tuning in. Good night.